Starting eBay dropshipping with AutoDS can feel confusing, like how to connect everything, how to import products, and how orders actually get fulfilled. In this video, I'm gonna show you the complete AutoDS plus eBay workflow, from account setup to importing products, fulfilling orders, and even using template for your listings. So by the end of this video, you will clearly understand how everything works together. So if you are a beginner or even already using AutoDS, this video will help you organize your process. First of all, we have to create an AutoDS account. So here we have to search AutoDS, and then we have to scroll down and click on this first AutoDS link. So once you click on AutoDS, then we have to scroll down and here we have to click on eBay. So I have to cancel it and click on eBay. Now I will land to another dashboard and here I have to click on get started. So here I have to add my email, full name and password. So here my email is test and at the rate, and here I will add my name, and here I have to add my password. So here make sure your password is strong enough. Once you add your email, full name and password, then just click on join now, and now we will land to another dashboard. Here select your selling channel. So for this video we will go with eBay, and here we have to select a package. So here first of all I will change it to monthly, and then I will go with the starter package. So click on start now for $0.99. Here you have to add your card number. Once you add your card number, then you will land to another dashboard. So I'm going to add my card number. Once I do this process, then we will go forward. Finally, you will land to this dashboard. Now it's time to connect your eBay store with AutoDS. So here you have to click on add store. Once you click on add store, you will land to this dashboard. Here you have to click on eBay store. Once you click on eBay store, you will land to this dashboard. Now here, if you are selling in the US, select United States. If you are selling in the UK, then select UK. So here, once you select your eBay target, then you have to click on finish. Once you click on finish, here you have to add your email and password. So once you add your email, click on continue, then you have to add your password, then click on sign in, and here this is the final page. So make sure to read this grant application access. Once you read it, then just click on agree. Once you click on agree, finally your eBay store will be connected to your AutoDS. In this part we are going to set up AutoDS setting. So I am on a main dashboard. Here I have to scroll down, and here we have setting option. I have to click on this setting, and here we have almost more than 5 options: supplier setting, automation, template, keyword, etc. So we are using mostly these two options a lot, supplier setting and template, and we will cover these two options in this video. So here first of all I have to add a supplier. So I already added many supplier. Here if you are for the first time, you will have no option here, then you have to click on add supplier. So now I am going to add a supplier. So here we have AliExpress. So I have to click on Amazon, and here for this time I will go United Kingdom. If your account is in the US, make sure you select United States. So here recommended setting, and then click on add supplier. So now we will have further more 4 option: lister, pricing, order and general. We are going to cover all of them one by one slowly. So here default product quantity, I always put 10, and it depend on you. You can also put 5. Default country, so here United Kingdom, the default zip code and the location. Then we have shipping method. So I select always fastest shipping with tracking number, and here we have default template, and we will cover default template in our last part. So then we have selling platform policies. So now understand this option, this is important. If you have policies like return policy, shipping policy, payment policy, and you already added in your eBay store, so you can select your policy here, your custom shipping policy here, and your return policy here. But if you don't have any policy on your eBay store, so then you can use AutoDS default policy. So just click on this option, it means that now you are using AutoDS policy. So I have to just uncheck this one because I have my policy. And then here we have advanced lister setting. So allow duplicates, allow double OS variation. So I have to uncheck this one, capitalize title, upload variations. It depend on you. If you want to add variation, click on this one, otherwise uncheck this one, check this one, and auto fulfill brand duplicate main image up to 12 times. So I uncheck this one, split variation into products, allow marketplace seller, allow zero private listing. Then these two options are most important: stock monitoring and price monitoring. Stock monitoring mean that, let's say you are drop shipping with Amazon and you list product from Amazon, and when you list product from Amazon it was in stock. Let's say after a week, on Amazon that product was out of stock right now. So if you check this option, AutoDS will automatically out of stock your product on eBay. That's why this is important. If you uncheck this one, so it may be that on Amazon the product will be out of stock, but on eBay, on your store, the product will be in stock, and that will create problem because when you get order and on Amazon the product is out of stock, this is the problem. That's why this is important. Same the case with price monitoring. Let's say on Amazon you list a product when the price was 9.9. Now after a week, let's say the price rise to 11. So if you check this option, AutoDS will automatically rise on your eBay store. If you uncheck this one, your price will be the same. So that's why if you uncheck this option, you may get lost, because let's say the price is 9.9 and you list that product for 14, and now suddenly the price rise to 14, and you sell that product again on 14. So in this case you lost. That's why I explain these 2 points a lot, they are important. Then we have these setting, they are not important. We have to click on pricing. Here we have the first option, fee. So the fee I always keep 16%. Here we have fee amount and the additional profit in percent and in dollar. So now let's understand this one. Let's say I open calculator here, and let's say we are selling a product that costs 9.99. So first of all, AutoDS will add this eBay fee 16%. So here plus 16%, so it become 1.5. So AutoDS will add 1.5. Then AutoDS will also add this fee in dollar, so plus 0.3. So it become 11.88. Then AutoDS will add this profit. So let's say you add here 40%. So AutoDS will add 40% profit. So plus 40%. So here your final price will be $16. Let's say on Amazon the price is 9.99, your final price will be $16. So that's how you can understand additional profit in percent. Let's say you make it zero, but here you set this additional profit in dollar, which is $3. So here what will happen, that first of all AutoDS will add the fee 9.99 plus 16%, and then AutoDS will add this fee 0.3, and then simply AutoDS will add $3. So your final price will be 14. It was a little bit technical, but it was important. So here it depend on you. So let's say $3 and minimum profit per product. So here we already add $3. We have the dynamic profit as well. Let me understand here you as well. Product cost range. Let's say the product cost 0 and here up to 10. So we set here a rule like those product that cost between 0 to 10, we should have, let's say, $30 profit in percent, and in dollar we have 0. So this is your first rule. Let's say the second rule, all those product that cost between 10 to 20, so in that we should have profit, let's say 20%, and in profit we have 0. So this is how you can do, or how you can set up the dynamic profit. You can add the last rule as well, all those product that cost 20 between 20 to so on, we should have profit, let's say 15 and 15. Here we have, and in profit in dollar, let's say we have $1. Like you can set up like this type, it depend on you. If you want to create a separate video on pricing, how to set up pricing on AutoDS, tell me in the comment section. Then we have additional pricing setup, include shipping price, make sure this is checker. Then we have the order. So here automatic order required. So remember AutoDS does not fulfill order in the UK. If you are selling in the US, so then we have other option as well, that you can also use AutoDS fulfillment service. So you have to just check that option. Right now we are setting the setting for the UK, so that's why we don't have that option. Here we have other two option, set order as shipped, tracking conversion. So here you can convert the tracking, but we will cover this point in our further parts. Okay, we have maximum purchase order price. So here maximum purchase, any attempt to automatically order a product with a purchase price higher than this sum will fail as mean of protection. You can read this one. Maximum loss, so up to how much dollar you can lose. So let's say $5. We have the automatic messages. Anytime when a customer order from your store, AutoDS will automatically send this message. And if you check this one as well, AutoDS will automatically leave a feedback. Then when the order is placed, AutoDS will send this message. If you check this, then when you provide tracking number and you check this one, AutoDS will send this message. You can also edit these messages, and then when the order is delivered, so AutoDS will send this message. You can also edit this message as of your need if you check this option as well. So here we have the last option, and here automatic SKU filling. So here this option mean that whenever you list a new product, import a new product, and you check this option, AutoDS will automatically add a new SKU to that product. But I mostly uncheck this option. We have the minimum product quantity. This is also important. Let's say you are drop shipping with Amazon, and let's say on Amazon now now the stock is almost, let's say, 5 quantity there. So here if you write 5 and on Amazon, if the seller has 5 quantity, so AutoDS will automatically out of stock that product on your store. So this is important. Maximum shipping days, this is also important. You can set 14 days. Let's say on Amazon, if the shipping is higher than 14 days, so AutoDS will automatically out of stock your product on your eBay store. Prime first, this is also important. You have to check Prime first and Prime only. So these are all the setting that we cover. Once you cover these setting, just click on here save, and this setting will be safe. Now it's time to import products to your eBay store using AutoDS. So in this part we are going to learn how to add products to your eBay store using AutoDS. So here you have to click on this plus option, and then you have to click on single product, and here you have to add your supplier URL. So here let's say I want to add this product, so I have to copy this URL, click on copy, come here, and here you have to paste that URL and click on add as a drafter. You have also another option publish to store, but if you want to edit your title, description, picture, you have to click on add as a drafter. So let's click on add as a drafter. Now you will land to this dashboard. So here make sure you have an SEO title, 200 packs, 3 by 4 inches stainless steel pipe screen, 3 by 4 inches metal pipe screen with metal box. So here you can see eBay only allow 80 characters in their title. So for now I will just delete this one. Then we have these option category. So AutoDS automatically collect the category. We have tags, shipping method, that is fastest, using dynamic policies, 3 business days. We have country, and make sure these two are open, stock monitoring and price monitoring. I have to uncheck this one. Then we have the description. So here you can delete or add something to the description. Let's say I want to delete this one, so delete this one, and then you have to click on variation. Then we have the images. So this is the main image. We have these image, and now the final point or option, that is item specific. So I want to delete this item model number. So just click on delete, and if you want to add a specific, just click on add item specification. So here you have to add, enter your name, and here a description. So let's say for just example I have to write color, and here I have to write white. So that's how you can add. So once you add all these information, click on import. So now this product will be imported to your eBay store directly. Now let's understand how AutoDS fulfillment works. How AutoDS can buy products for you. So here you have to click on order. Once you click on order, you will land to this dashboard. Here we have 4 conditions. The first one pending, the second one shipped, the third one we have the first one pending, the second one order, the third one shipped, and the last one deliver. We will understand all these 4 conditions step by step. So the first one, that is pending, it looks like this. So pending mean that you receive an order. So now if you want to fulfill this order using AutoDS fulfillment service, so you have to click on this, and here we will have an option, that is let me show you here, send to auto order. So once you click on send to auto order, it will look like this, in order progress. once AutoDS buy that product for you, so then it will change to this status ordered, like you can see here order. Then once Amazon provide the tracking number, AutoDS will automatically convert that tracking number into QTrack, and we will understand the whole process in our next part, that how AutoDS convert TBA tracking number into QTrack. So once you have a tracking number available, here AutoDS will change the status from order to shipped. So here it means that now AutoDS provide tracking number to the customer. So then once the item is delivered, so this status will change to deliver, and let me show you that option as well. Here you can see the deliver, and sometime if you have a return request, so you can also click on this option and click on request return, so then AutoDS will provide a return request as well. So this is how AutoDS fulfillment work. Now in this part we are going to learn how to convert TBA tracking number into QTrack. So remember, eBay does not allow TBA Amazon tracking number. You have to convert that tracking number. So eBay does allow QTrack tracking number. So here you can see this is a product that is shipped, and if I click on Amazon screenshot, so Amazon provide TBA tracking number, and AutoDS convert that tracking number into QTrack. So if I click on this QTrack tracking number, so first of all eBay accepted. The second, it is also trackable. Here you can see. Now how to set up setting for in AutoDS, so that AutoDS will convert TBA tracking number into QTrack. So for that you have to click on setting, and then here we have to select our supplier, and here we have to click on order, and here in a tracking conversion we have to click on it, and we have all these options. The first option, convert all tracking number to QTrack. This means that whether you get TBA tracking number, USPS, UPS tracking number, AutoDS will convert all those tracking number into QTrack. The second option, convert only TBA tracking number into QTrack. So I select this second option and then click on save option. Once the setting is safe, so then AutoDS will convert all your TBA tracking number into QTrack, and eBay will accept that tracking number. This is the last part, and in this part we are going to learn how to add template, whether AutoDS or your custom template, so that whenever you list a new product, AutoDS will use that template to your every new listing. So for that you have to click on setting, and here click on template. Now here this will be blank, like here if you are for the first time, here will be nothing. Okay, so if you want to use AutoDS template, click on this eBay, and here these are the template. So simply click on any template. Let's say this one you have to name here, let's say tester. Click duplicate template, and now this is added to your store, but still AutoDS will not use this template to your every new listing. Why? Because we have to set up the setting first. So for that you have to click on setting again, and here click on your supplier, and here you have to scroll down, and here by default template, so here you have to choose that template. So we have that template by the name tester. So I think I have to just refresh it. So here once I reload it, now let's see, I have to click on default here, and we have simple blue, this one, yes, this one, tester. So now we select our template, then click on save. Now whenever you list a new product, AutoDS will use this template. This is how you can use AutoDS template. Now let's learn how to use our custom template. So if you don't know how to create a custom eBay HTML template. I have created a full video. Here you can see I uploaded this video. This is all about how to create an eBay HTML template using ChatGPT. So once you create your custom eBay HTML template, then you have to come to the setting again here, click on template, and this time click on my template, click on blank template, and here I have to write a name test number one and click on create template. So here it will be loaded here, this one test number one. You have to click on edit, and now here click on source, and here you have to add the HTML code. So I have already here, and click on source again. This will be the template that is a custom template and that we want to use for every new listing. So then click on here update. Once you click on update, now again you have to come to the setting, click on supplier, and here select your supplier, and then click on default template. Make sure you select the one that you created right now, test number one. Once that is selected, just click on save. So once you click on save, now AutoDS will use your custom HTML template for your every new listing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical tutorials. And if these tips are hard for you, like creating an AutoDS account, connect your eBay store, finding winning products, import products to your eBay store. So I am here. I can help you. I offer service on Fiverr. The link will be inside the description. Just DM me and we will discuss your business model in more detail. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.